Apple's digital ID, your passport on your iPhone.
Imagine this. You're at the airport, running late, as always. The TSA agent asks for your ID. Instead of fumbling through your bag for your passport, you just whip out your iPhone. Boom, identity verified. You're through. Sci-fi? Nope, it's happening right now, thanks to Apple's brand new digital ID feature.
That's right. Apple just dropped a major update. You can now add your US passport directly to your Apple Wallet. This isn't just a fancy digital image, it's a secure, verifiable identity card that works at over 250 TSA checkpoints across the US for domestic flights. Think about it. Your driver's license, credit cards, boarding passes, and now your passport all in one place. Your iPhone is truly becoming your everything.
Now, some of you might be thinking, hold on, Apple tried this with driver's licenses and it was a bit slow, right? And you'd be absolutely correct. The problem there was state-by-state adoption. Each state had to jump on board individually. But with the passport, Apple pulled a genius move.
The US passport is a federal document. By integrating with the passport, Apple completely bypasses those state-level restrictions. This means almost any US citizen with a compatible iPhone, iOS 26.1 or later, can enroll, regardless of where they live. This is huge for rapid adoption and convenience. No more waiting for your state.
Okay, so how do you get this magical passport into your phone? It's surprisingly simple, but also incredibly secure. Let me show you step by step.
First, open your Apple Wallet. Tap that little plus icon in the top right. Then select driver's license or ID cards and choose Digital ID. Now this is where the real tech comes in. You'll take a photo of your passport's photo page. Simple enough. But then, your iPhone uses its NFC chip to actually read the secure embedded chip in your physical passport. This isn't just a picture, it's a direct cryptographic verification from the document itself. Super secure. Finally, you'll do a quick live selfie with some facial movements. This proves you are who you say you are and you're physically present. No tricking the system with a photo.
Once that's done, boom! Your passport is now safely stored and ready to go in your Apple Wallet. Just remember, you still need to carry your physical passport for international travel and as a backup. But this isn't just for airports. This is just the beginning. Apple has big plans for their Verify with Wallet API. Imagine walking into a bar or venue and just flashing your iPhone for age verification without handing over your physical ID. Checking into a hotel or renting a car, confirming your identity instantly. Even proving your identity for online services, all with the privacy and security of your Apple Wallet. The possibilities are endless. This feature is going to streamline so many daily interactions where we currently rely on physical IDs. It's all about convenience, speed, and enhanced privacy because you only share the specific info needed, like age over 21, not your full birth date.
Now, I know some of you might be thinking about security and privacy, and you should be. Here's the good news. Your digital ID is encrypted and stored only on your device, not on Apple servers. Apple cannot see your passport data. Every single time you present your ID, it requires Face ID or Touch ID authentication. So if someone steals your phone, they can't use your digital ID. And critically, you get to review exactly what information is being shared before you authorize it. It's privacy by design. So what do you think? Are you ready to ditch the physical passport for domestic flights and embrace the future of digital ID? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried it yet? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay techie!